We are going to talk about winners' habits today. Winners, they never give up their goals. Whatever happens, they pursue their goals, their aspirations throughout their life. They follow. And winners, they keep positive pupils always. If you are surrounded by negative people, many time you stop following you lose hope and you stop following your goals. We should be having positive people around us. That's very, very important. And you should concentrate on the present. We have thoughts: present, past, future. Past and future will bring negative thoughts. We remember what has happened previously, many failures. Positive things, we take it for granted. Negative things, we keep it in our mind and remind again and again. Like a DVD, we play again and again. We have negative emotions. Future, we will be scared. What will happen this? What happens that? So we will be scared about future also. So keep our mind, thoughts at present will be the best option, number one. And positive attitude towards life. Good books, good friends are important to keep positive attitude in life. Dramas, movies, many things actually they put us in negative attitude, negative thoughts. We have to avoid all those things most of the time. So we keep positive attitude. And winners, they endure the pain, accept the pain. Failures, pain, they accept and they go ahead. Next one, they live through love. Without love, values, and happiness, achieving anything is useless. You can achieve, you will be a successful man, but you will not be happy. So you should be happy, then only success is useful. And take responsibility for your actions. You take 100% responsibility for your actions. That's very important. So take actions, not thinking many things, planning, not enough. Take actions. Accordingly, you have to take action, then only you can progress further. We should not lose ourselves in commotion. Many people, they do that. And winners always, they appreciate what they have. Many people, even they achieve many things, they want more and more. They don't enjoy. They are always unhappy, frustrated. They compare with others and they are unhappy all the time. Winners, they make a positive difference in the society, in their family. So these are all the winners' habits we can easily follow. Thank you.